Hi, welcome to Versova World. Let's make super deformed paper model of FIAT Panda car. To make this beautiful model, we will require a cutting mat, print out an A5 size paper, scissor, empty ballpoint pen, forceps, steel ruler, glue and a paper cutting knife. Let us first study our paper model. There are 4 wheels. These 4 wheels will be pasted on the wheels on the main car. Then this is the carrier which will be pasting at the top. These two will be at the sides of the carriers. I don't know what this square part is, but I'm going to make an antenna from it. With the help of a steel ruler and an empty or dried up ballpoint pen, we are going to score out all the fold lines. We will cut out the parts now. We can use a scissor or a paper cutting knife. Usually such printouts are taken on A4 size paper, but I wanted a small sized car, hence I have used A5 size paper. A5 size of paper is half of A4 size. So the problem has arisen that the tabs have become very small. It will be difficult to paste. So I have increased the width of the tabs. Now we will crease all the folds. I had mentioned earlier that we are going to make a super deformed paper model of a car. So you might be wondering that till now we have heard about paper models, but this is the first time we are hearing about super deformed paper model. So what is a super deformed paper model? Super deformed paper model means a model that is designed in such a way that it looks like a comic, or in other words, like a caricature. Its certain striking characteristics are exaggerated in such a way that it looks comical. The carrier will be pasted at the top. This is the black square part which I'm not able to figure out where it will go. So I'm going to make an antenna from it. Congrats! Our super deformed paper model of a Fiat Panda car is ready for display. You can download the template of this beautiful car from the link given in the description box below and make one yourself. Hope this has inspired you into making this beautiful car model yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.